1-4, identify congruent angles and bisecting angles. Number 10, ray QS is the angle bisector of angle PQR. Find the two angle measurements not given in the diagram. So let's look at A. Ray QS is the bisector. So it creates two equal pieces. What we have here so far in the image is angle SQR. We have that, so let's write that angle SQR is equal to 22 degrees. Because this is the angle bisector, it creates two equal pieces. So this piece and this piece are congruent. Okay, so if this is 22, this also has to be 22 because the bisector creates two equal pieces. So this angle of PQS is also 22 degrees. So we write angle PQS is equal to 22 degrees. Now we can get the total. This whole total angle, which is PQR is 22 plus 22, which is 44 degrees. This is the two missing angle measurements that the question was looking for. Let's look at B. This whole thing here is 91 degrees. So it says that this angle of P to Q to R is 91 degrees. Let's write that. Angle PQR is equal to 91 degrees. It creates two equal pieces here, this piece and this piece. So we have to divide 91 into two pieces. The two pieces it makes is 45.5 degrees and 45.5 degrees. So this angle of PQS, angle PQS is equal to 45.5 degrees. Also, this angle measurement of SQR is equal to also 45 degrees. This was the two missing angle measurement that the question was looking for. Let's look at now C. We see that this here is 80 degrees. So let's just label that. From P to Q to S, it is 80 degrees. So angle PQS is equal to 80 degrees. Notice that this is an angle bisector. So this piece is also 80 degrees. So you can say SQR. So angle SQR is equal to 80 degrees. In total though, from P to Q to R, angle PQR, that's our 80 plus our 80, which is 160 degrees. These are the two pieces that were missing here.